Many people die with their music still in them. It is because for the life they keep on preparing to live the life they want, but they never step out of that life. And by the time they realized, the time is over. I remember 5 years ago when my father started a business in partnership in a very different field. The first year was really it was really well, it was going well. But in the second year, they had a huge loss and they had no other option than to shut down it. It was really a tough time. But now they were left with two options with them. Number one option, and to live as the life takes forward. And number two, to start again. My father chose second, but it was really uncertain when the partner said no. But with all that courage, he jumped into it to experience those fears, those risks, those uncertainties. And with all his 3 years of tireless efforts, he could set an example for others at the age of 50. Today, he is a successful entrepreneur. And when I observe this life, the only one thing that comes to my mind is, it's easy. It's not as scary as it looks. The only one step taken with courage and being fearless brings all that worth in life. Dear friends, we all want to be great and successful in life, but wanting to be successful and actually being successful has one invisible line or one invisible layer, and that is a layer of comfort zone. From the time we wake up to what we eat for breakfast or lunch, to how we dress up, our comfort zone keeps talking to us. And that is why many people die with their music still in them, with an untouched, unlimited potential that is not touched. Because all the time their comfort zone keeps lying to them, you are awesome, you're really working hard, you are successful, you're happy, leaving them paralyzed for the life. In fact, this comfort zone is an island in which you live into an illusion of completeness. But actually it is not. And the main reason behind doing it so, living in this comfort zone, is the fear. Fear of failure, fear of loss, fear of not letting down, and fear of that taking one step with courage to live, to step out and to live the life as you want. In fact, we all had fear when we learned to write a first word in the book that we learned in our school, right? We all might have afraid, or we all might have that fear in us before writing that letter, that word actually. But when we wrote that word, how did we feel? It's easy. It's not as scary as it looks, right? So take that one step, dive into that discomfort zone and live a life as you want, or find your life, as it's not as scary as it looks.